Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at HYCM. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. HYCM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 1997. They are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and two other top-tier entities, and all their accounts have negative balance protection. HYCM offers flexible accounts with tight spreads and commission-free trading, and there are more than 300 instruments that you can trade with them. You will also have access to a variety of top-quality educational resources, webinars, as well as trading guides, and we recommend HYCM for all types of traders. HYCM offers a user-friendly website that is informative and easy to navigate. All the information you need about their accounts, platforms, tools, instruments, and company history can be found by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. As you scroll down the homepage, you will see information about their accounts, the platforms you can use, upcoming webinars, as well as the products that they offer. HYCM currently offers more than 40 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips. They also offer a variety of stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and ETFs, and trades can be leveraged by up to 500 times. The HYCM customer support team can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically. There are dedicated lines for client support, accounts, general inquiries, and complaints. You can contact their offices in either London or in Europe. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you can find their contact details by navigating to the Contact Us section of the website under the About Us tab. HYCM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading features, and much more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, easy coding using MQL5, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, fundamental analysis, and much, much more. MetaTrader can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, or mobile devices, and it can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website. HYCM also provides an updated economic calendar with Forex news and market insights that can be checked on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In addition to all the tools provided, there are also advanced traders calculators that you can use to calculate spreads, currency conversions, and/or margin requirements. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with HYCM. All 3 accounts can be converted to swap-free accounts, and you will also have the option of opening a demo account. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be used with expert advisors. The minimum deposit requirements are relatively low, and accounts can be funded using either US dollars or euros. If you would like to trade with commission-free accounts, then we recommend opening either a fixed account or a classic account. The fixed account offers fixed spreads starting from 1.5 pips and requires a minimum deposit of $100. The classic account offers variable spreads starting from 1.2 pips and also requires a minimum deposit of $100. If you are willing to pay a small commission fee, you can enjoy much tighter spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips by opening a raw account, which requires a minimum deposit of $200. You can also open a demo account to practice on if you are new to trading. Demo accounts offer a risk-free way to test new strategies and try new tools and features. If you require a swap-free account that does not charge rollover fees or interest, then you can make a request for your account to be converted to a swap-free account for Muslim clients. Creating an account with HYCM may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account you would like to open. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can contact their customer support team if you have any questions regarding your account. Firstly, launch the HYCM homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address, and once your account has been set up, you can log into the client portal. Once within the client portal, you can set up live accounts, view education and tools, contact customer support, and much more. Within the HYCM client portal, traders can also set up their demo accounts. After your account has been approved and set up, the next step would be to fund your account and simply start trading. After your account is ready, what you'll want to do next is download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with HYCM. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple one-click trading window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful guides and educational content online to help you get started with the basics of platform functionality. Or you can view the HYCM educational tutorials, which provide a variety of videos that cover the basics of trading on the MetaTrader platforms to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, if you are new to trading, we highly recommend starting with a demo account and using the educational resources provided. There are plenty of in-depth guides that will teach you about the basics of trading, the different trading tools you can use, and the trading strategies you should consider using. There is also a beginner's course and several different ebooks that can be downloaded. We also recommend visiting the online classroom and attending some of the workshops and webinars to get yourself insider knowledge and expert insights into trading. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received more than 20 global Forex awards. And some of their more recent awards include the Best Forex Broker of 2022 in Spain, the Best Forex Broker in the Middle East, Asia, and Germany in 2021, and many, many more. Overall, HYCM is a highly regulated, award-winning broker with thousands of clients worldwide and over 20 years of industry experience. Whether you're a first-time trader looking for a low-risk account or a high-volume trader looking for ultra-low spreads, HYCM offers an account for you. If you are interested, be sure to open your HYCM account today to get access to top-quality educational resources, competitive trading conditions, and 24-hour customer support that you can rely on. And that is our overview of HYCM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.